How to track 2D text layers to a moving object in After Effects. This is an absolute must-know, so if you're ready to learn some cool tricks, then grab your snacks, get comfortable, and let's get cracking. What's up everyone, welcome back to another creative editing tutorial. My name is Francois and thanks so much for joining me on this beautiful day. As you probably noticed already, this video is short and will be straight to the point so that you can learn something new and go back to working on your project straight away. Okay, let's try and beat the timer. Let's go baby! First of all, in the footage that you want to track, add 2 instances of the effect called Unsharp Mask. Leave the settings as default, they'll do just fine to add some extra details for After Effects to track more accurately. Do bear in mind that this will take longer depending on your computer. Then select the footage and press Ctrl or Command, Shift and C on your keyboard to pre-compose the layer. Do make sure you choose Leave All Attributes and press OK. Make sure that you put the playhead at the beginning of the parts that you want to track, then go up to Window at the top, choose Tracker, and in the panel that opens up, select Track Motion. Now this opens up a new window. You're going to move the cursor to the point that you want to track the motion of. Ideally choose a point of high contrast to make it easier for After Effects to give an accurate track. The smaller box determines what to track, and the bigger box determines where After Effects has to look for that box. Making the box bigger will mean more work and slower result, but it can sometimes make it more accurate too. Once that's in place, you can track frame by frame with this button. That's in case you know you've got difficult footage to track and you know that you'll have to manually adjust the tracking each time. Otherwise, you can just track forward with this button and let After Effects do its thing until the end of the clip. Now let's create a Null Object and place it on top. This is what we're going to use to store the tracking information. It won't show up in the final render. Back in the Tracker panel, click on Edit Target, select that Null Object, make sure you're back at the beginning of your composition just to be safe, and press Apply and OK. Now if you scrub through the timeline, you can see that the Null Object is now following really well the point that we've tracked. Now create a new text layer, place it wherever you want it to be, and in order to make it follow the Null Object, simply click on the pick whip here and drag it over it. That's parented the text layer to the Null Object, and the best thing about it is that you can now parent as many other layers as you want to that Null Object. So it becomes really easy now to create some cool 2D callouts that will impress your clients or your boss. So with that said, there you have it guys, this is how to easily track 2D text layers to moving objects using After Effects. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something cool. If you did, and you didn't mind my accent, you can like this video as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, feel free to get subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future creative editing tutorial on this channel. Finally, if you're wondering what to watch next, you should watch this video right here. Thanks again for watching, my name is Francois, see you next week for another video.